Welcome. If you want to make hard reset of your fake AirPods Pro connected to your Android smartphone, at the first you have to go for the Bluetooth settings. Then you have to tap on the settings icon and then simply click here to forget. Click to forget device, and after that we have to open the case. Click and hold this button on the back until it blinks on the white color, then turn on the green, and after that just turn off. So click, hold, keep holding, and right now we are able to release. Let's close the case. Right now when we open this case and click to pair new device, we are able to connect them to our smartphone one more time. Accept pair. And as you can see, that's how it looks. Right now they are connected. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!